In this video, we will be demonstrating the offset command with a few of its options. And to do that, we will be using the Student Edit Commands Worksheet. So I'm going to roll into the offset area. And as you can see, we have, they're showing us what they want us to achieve in light of where to offset things to. And I'm going to type in offset and hit enter, or I can go up here to offset right here. And I'm going to hit escape. So one of the things I'm going to do is I'm going to go up here and I'm going to turn off the Scotty layer. Okay, I'm going to turn that layer off to get rid of those lines. It'll help us demonstrate what's happening. And then I'm going to go up and I'm going to select, it's giving me a little trouble here, sorry about that. I'm going to go up and select a layer, and let's go layer 0. I'm going to make layer 0 current. I'm going to type offset again, and I'm going to type layer as an option. And I want to go, since I made my layer 0 current, I'm going to click on current. And then it says specify offset distance. I'm going to go 0.75 and hit enter. And then I'm going to click, and no matter where I click, it's only going to move it to the side I pick. Doesn't matter where I pick it, because it's only going to move it to 0.75. And it's going to put it on the layer that's broadcasting because I said I selected the current option. Let me show you that one more time. So my layer 0 is my current option. I'm going to go offset. I'm going to go layer, and I'm going to click on current. If I click source, it would stay looking like this lavender looking color. But I'm going to click current because that's the layer I want to put it on. I'm going to type in 0.75 because that's my offset distance right here. And then it says select object to offset. Then it says pick a point on the side to offset. So it doesn't matter which side I pick on, it's only, or where I move the cursor to, it's only going to move it 0.75. Okay, so I'm going to delete these guys real quick. Oop, I hit escape on accident, not delete. And now it says set offset to 1 inch to student layer. Alright, so I'm going to go up and I'm going to make sure my student layer is broadcasting. I'm going to type offset. I'm going to click or type layer. I'm going to click current. If I went source, it would keep it on this. I'm going to go current. And my offset distance is now 1, so I click on that. And click over here and over there. So now I have that line offset 1 inch to the student layer. I'm going to show you one more thing. If I go down and click through, it will just follow my cursor around until I left click again. Okay, but typically that's not why you're using it. I'm going to go back to offset. I'm going to click erase, and it says, do you want to erase source object? Typically you don't, but we're going to click on yes. And just for the ease of demonstration, I'm going to click through, and then when I click it, notice the source object is gone. So that is how you use the offset command and its options.